Hi guys, Friction RC here. Just thought I'd make a quick vid because I'm setting up the blades for my drone, the Bugs 20 EIS, and when I've been watching videos that other people have posted, they're saying that the instruction manual says A to A, B to B and things like that for the particular blades, and saying that the blades don't actually say which blades are for A and which arms it goes on to. I don't know if it's because I've got a newer model of the same make, as it were, slightly more like in terms of this manufacturing and the way things are laid out. But on the actual arms, it says B and A at the front, and then A again on that side, B on that side, and A. So basically the A's, so if you're, the front of this is in that direction, the two A's are in opposite corners, two B's are in opposite corners. Additionally, the blades themselves have a little, there we go, if I just spin it around a bit you can see, have a little A, can you see, lock A, unlock B, A. So the actual blades themselves, where are we, have letters on them. Additionally, so you know A goes to A. Additionally, if you have a look on the actual thing, you see 3 holes, right? Now on the blade itself, you've got, well, I say 3 holes. You've got 1, 2, yeah, 3 holes. So you've got, on one side you've got this. Now this is the top of the blade, as it were, so it fits like this. But if you look on the other side, you've got the 2 holes where the screw go into, which is here and that side and that side. But then on the actual, if I try and zoom into this, on the actual blade itself, you can see a little on the top, the left hand hole, just above it to say the 1 o'clock position, 2 o'clock position, there's a little nubbin there. That fits into one of these things. So you've got the 2 screws, one on either side, and the nubbin which goes here, and that kind of like acts, I guess, as a directional finder. So you make sure so although you've got 2 A's, it's that, I think, which tells you which one it should fit into. So in that respect, you know you're putting the right blade to the right corner, partly because of the way the blade looks, obviously depending which way it spins. People who've had helicopters and flown planes and stuff will know about, you know, the way a propeller's angle is and all that, angle of attack and all that. But for those of us that don't, when we see 4 that look exactly the same, this little nubbin there, I try and point to it again, that little nubbin there fits onto this hole here, okay, with the screws on either side. So that's an additional way that you can do to try and figure out when you get this drone and you're saying, well, it's got 2 A's and it's got 2 B's, and right, it's all labelled up, but how do I know which A goes into which hole? Just use that, which are kind of like a finder as well. I've just worked it out when I'm trying to fix it halfway through, and I was like, well, hold on a second, that doesn't match up with this, and then I realised I'd put the 2 onto the wrong ones. But anyway, hopefully that'll help. I'll get the rest of this fixed up, and then